Hey everyone, it's Farris, Tarazi, Fine Homes in the States. I am honored and excited to partner with D.R. Horton, America's #1 home builder, for a brand new development, the Enclave at Quartz Hill. Looking for a downstairs owner suite plus an additional downstairs bedroom with the full bath? Then model #1 may be for you. The first model features 5 bedrooms, over 2,500 square feet of living space, a downstairs owner suite with dual vanities, separate tub and shower, and a large walk-in closet, an additional downstairs bedroom with a full bathroom, a spacious great room with a modern kitchen that boasts quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a center island that opens up to the family room that has vaulted ceilings and a dining area. The extra wide staircase leads to the upstairs, which has a loft with plenty of space, more views, and 3 additional bedrooms. Looking for a casita or in-law suite? Then the second option would be perfect for you. This multi-gen floor plan showcases nearly 3,000 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms including an attached full suite that has its own private entrance, a living room, a kitchenette, a bedroom with a patio, and washer and dryer hookups, an additional downstairs bedroom with a full bathroom, a spacious kitchen with modern white cabinetry, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and tile backsplash. The upstairs offers a large loft, a large laundry room, and an owner suite complete with city views, a modern master bath that has 2 sinks, separate tub and shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Both models are energy efficient and include premium carpeting, luxury vinyl waterproof flooring, LED lighting, and solar lease or purchase options. These homes are completely built and move-in ready now, as there's a limited supply and are going quick. So give me a call and reserve your brand new home today at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.